Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk about detectors. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way you'll get notified when I post a new video and you won't miss it. Also, if you can, give me a thumbs up. Helps me out with YouTube's analytics. Also, if you have any friends, neighbors, relatives that might be interested in any of these videos, feel free to go ahead and use the social media button here that says share on it and share it out. Alrighty, detectors. What am I talking about for detectors? So I'm talking about carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. In other words, your old-fashioned fire detectors, but we call them, now they're called smoke and carbon monoxide detectors for a very good reason. Carbon monoxide can kill very easily and it won't set off a normal smoke detector. But what I want to talk to you about is you should have one in all the major rooms of your home, in the bedrooms, in the hallways. Don't worry about the bathrooms because the steam from the shower sets them off all the time. Don't worry about putting it in the kitchen itself because when you're cooking, sometimes that sets it off. Put it in the dining room, all the rooms surrounding the kitchen, the hallway, whatever else. You cover all the rest of the rooms. Now, twice a year, at a minimum, you need to change out the batteries in them. Well, the batteries are still good. Well, fine. Use that 9-volt battery for something else. But make sure there's a fresh 9-volt battery in it every time you set the clocks forward or set the clocks back. That ensures that detector is there to protect your life, your spouse's life, and your kids' lives. All right? That's very important. Now, they also have some real cool ones now that talk to you. Talking ones? Yeah, here's why. Kids under the age of 16, sometimes a little bit older, their brains work a little bit differently than ours do. When we hear that, we wake up and we know there's trouble. Kids will sleep right through it. So they've created some smoke detectors where you record on it. Say your daughter's name is Chelsea. You have the one in her room that says, Chelsea, it's time to get up. There's a fire. Get up, Chelsea. Chelsea, wake up. And that wakes them up a lot quicker than the for 10 minutes. All righty. So if you can, check those out. See if those are what you need as well. And as always, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most importantly, stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.